That was all that was needed. So for the lab this evening, what you're going to need to do is watch these two video links. This first one is what do we do when antibiotics don't work anymore? It's a short video, but it's just meant to give you some sort of food for thought. And then you're going to download the lab report, the Health and Medicine lab report. Once that pulls up, let me change my new share video so we can see what that looks like. Here we go. So this is going to be the lab report for the evening. You're going to just download this as a Microsoft Word document, fill it out, and then email it back to me. As I said earlier today, I will collect all of the lab reports and I will grade them on Monday evening. I like to wait until I have all lab reports in before I begin grading, just so that way I can see if there's one question that maybe everybody struggled with, maybe I didn't give clear enough instructions about it, maybe that question should be thrown out. So I wait until I have everybody's labs in, and then I will grade and email your graded lab back to you. So for this first lab, you're gonna watch video 1. You're gonna answer the questions, were you aware of the antibiotic resistance issue before watching this video? And then what is your reaction to this issue and information presented? Elaborate how you felt about it. And then did this video make you think about what you might do when you're offered an antibiotic in the future? Now, unfortunately, this class and this video, this lab in particular, it's so perfect for group discussion. It's really meant for group discussion. I'm very disappointed that we can't all meet in person to discuss. So I would be happy to host a discussion maybe once I'm done with these videos talking you through what we're supposed to do. If you guys want to sit in and engage and discuss these questions together, I would love to do that with you. If not, I will make a discussion board related to this lab. Participation on that discussion board is not mandatory, but it is one way that you can get your participation points this semester. I will probably post a couple of these questions and you can put your answers in there. And you can just copy and paste from whatever it is you put on your lab sheet. You must submit your lab sheet. All of your lab points will come from this lab sheet. But if you also would like to participate in these discussions on our discussion boards in Blackboard, you can receive your additional participation points for the semester that way. All right, you'll do the same thing with the second video about next steps in health and medicine and where technology can take us. Again, you're just going to answer the questions presented here in a thoughtful manner. And that's really it. Before I end this video, does anybody have any questions about this particular lab? I'm hearing a whole bunch of silence, so I'm going to take that as a no. If you have questions, feel free to email me. If you are doing the lab later this evening or late over the weekend and you have questions about a question saying, hey, I don't really understand, what are they asking here? Feel free to shoot me an email and I'm happy to clarify anything. For the moment, I'm going to pause this video